Why, hello, lovely humans. Jen Foxbot here. Halloween is coming up, yes, and we all know what that means. Da 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 da. An excuse for us to be silly and make red costumes and eat some candy. So I wanted to share one of my favorite rapid prototyping techniques. Using cardboard, yes! So cardboard is a cheap and easy way to build all sorts of accessories. Oftentimes you can find things that you don't even need to change very much. Like you can make a spyglass out of this toilet paper tube, or a funky hair thing to be Susie Lou Who. You can use ribbed cardboard as fancy superhero cufflinks, and your standard sheets of cardboard are great for making masks or shields or other sorts of accessories for your favorite costume. You can make it look a little bit more polished by spray painting it. Just go outside and lay some newspaper down. And then you can add extra features with Sharpies or other markers. So I hope that helps, and let your creativity run wild this Halloween. Bye!